Hello everybody. The subject research methodology is very important for the researchers and PG scholars. And in this subject, we will discuss about what is research, definition of research, what is problem, and how we identify the problem for the research. What are the types of research and steps involved in research for identifying the problem, for identifying the methods, and how we can execute the research. The second unit of the subject talk about the research design and what are the methods for the research design. What are the processes and steps involved in research design? How we can do literature survey or literature review. We will study under the unit second. The third unit talks about the data collection, data sampling, and what are the techniques involved in data collection or data sampling. What is the quality of the data and what are the ethical consideration in research. So all these things we will study under the unit third. The fourth unit is based on the data interpretation and data analysis. So for the data analysis, what are the techniques involved? How we can choose or identify the right techniques for a given data? What are the hypotheses and hypothesis for the testing? We will discuss. And what are the softwares required for the data processing? And what are the interpretation of the results and how we can interpret the from data to information or how we can interpret data into results. And last unit talks about the writings. So in this unit we will try to understand the importance of the technical writing and what are the steps involved in technical writing or writing the research papers. So we will study the dissertation or thesis. What is the difference between dissertation or thesis with research paper, and how we can review the articles, how we can communicate with journals, and what is the difference between conference paper or journal papers or short communications. What are the tools required for referencing and what are the different styles for the referencing, and how we can identify the potential journal to communicate your research article or manuscript, and how we can identify the potential journal on based on the indexing, and what is citation, and what is the intellectual property, and most important thing in the writing of the technical or research study, plagiarism. So we will discuss what is the plagiarism, types of plagiarism, what are the tools that can identify the plagiarism, and at last we will discuss the scholarly networks which can be utilized for the research and to connect the world researchers. So this is all about this subject. In The books which can be referred, that research methodology, methods and techniques by C.R. Kothari, research methodology, a step-by-step guide for beginners by Ranjit Kumar, business research methods by Donald Cooper, and research design, qualitative, quantitative and mixed methods approaches by Creswell. So these books can be referred for the complete cover-up of this syllabus, but I will not stick only up to these books. I can go beyond these books also, but these books are sufficient for covering the complete syllabus of our subject. Thank you, and we will discuss in next lecture what is research and what is the definition of research. Thank you. Meet you in next lecture.